Hi, I'm Jessie Keith, horticulturist with Sungrow Horticulture in Black Gold, and I'm here to talk about growing strawberries. And I've created a new strawberry patch out at my community gardening plot. Before I planned my strawberry bed, I had to answer lots of questions like what kind of strawberries I was going to grow, how many I was going to plant, how I was going to buy them, how I would prepare my beds, and so on. So here are some basics that every gardener needs to know to successfully grow strawberries. So let's talk strawberries. First, there's choosing the right strawberry for your needs. There are lots of types and varieties to choose from. June-bearing strawberries bear one big crop per season, usually over a period of 3 weeks. Fruit size and production varies by variety, and some bear earlier or later in the season. Everbearing or day-neutral strawberries bear one large crop and then continue to produce smaller crops of fruit until frost. Pine berries are an unusual everbearing type with white fruits instead of red. These natural variants are noted for their sweet pineapple-like flavor. There are around 20 species of wild strawberries, and some are worth growing. The European alpine strawberry has small, very flavorful fruits, as does the Native American Eastern Virginia wild strawberry. So when choosing your strawberry plants, you can choose to buy them several different ways. You can go to your local nursery and you can buy potted strawberry plants, or you can even buy them in flats. But this is a more expensive way to purchase strawberries. I instead like to purchase bare root strawberries, which are, if you buy them from a really great grower, they come bare root, and this is 25 plants that I purchased bare root. This is the box that they came in. And each little plant looks like this, and you can see there's just a little green leaf starting here, healthy root system. So 25 plants is very reasonable, and this is how I like to choose to plant and purchase my strawberries. Now you can either pot these up, and I did that with one of these, and let them grow and get healthy, or you can plant them directly in the ground, and that's generally what I do. So I'm going to head out to the garden and I'm going to plant my bare root plants. 25 happy June-bearing strawberries should produce about 3/4 of a quart of fruit per day for 3 weeks. Everbearings will produce even more over a season. This should be enough fruit for a single family to enjoy or even can. So I'm going to plant my very last strawberry. It's a very healthy specimen. Happy little strawberry start with good roots, nice top that started growing. And this is the last strawberry I planted, so I want to plant this about 15 inches from that strawberry. Give these guys plenty of space to produce. And as I said, I amended the soil already with Black Gold compost blend, which is OMRI listed for organic gardening. But I also want to add a little more Black Gold garden soil, which feeds plants for up to 6 months. So a couple of things I want to mention. One thing that's very important is planting depth for strawberries. At this point where you see the roots and this bulbous base of the strawberry, that's the depth, that's the planting point where you want it. No deeper and no shallower. So if you plant them too deep or too shallow, you're going to have unhappy plants. So I'm going to make sure, this is friable soil. I raised this bed about 6 inches above the soil line because strawberries really love well-drained soil. And this is well-amended soil, so they should be happy as clams. So there we go. I have that base above ground, all the roots covered. Add that little bit of extra fertilizer, and I think we'll be good to go. Put that in. So these strawberries, within about a couple of months, they're everbearing, so they should be producing fruit for me very soon. These are healthy, happy plants, and I'm really looking forward to having a great strawberry season. And all of this extra compost and extra straw is also going to help hold moisture during those hot summer months. So these should be great vigorous strawberries.
Bees pollinate strawberries, so keep plants pesticide-free to keep these essential pollinators safe and ensure a good crop. Birds and garden mammals of all kinds love strawberries, so once your berries start to turn red, cover them with protective netting. Kids love strawberry pots. They make harvest easy and fun. Strawberries have rooting stems called runners that need to be managed to keep plants from getting overcrowded. After 3 years, your berry plants will lose steam and quit producing well. The best way to replace them is to let runners grow in the 3rd year and then collect the runner plantlets to replace your old plants. Many fungal diseases infect strawberry plants and fruits. Good soil and care will keep diseases at bay. To learn more about strawberry diseases, visit the NC State's excellent document on diagnosing strawberry diseases. Happy strawberry growing!